I already had about 15 servings of pasta. I feel like I could eat more. What's wrong with me?
Well, I won't answer that question, Rose.
Hi guys, it's Rose, and welcome back to my channel and another What I Ate in a Day video. So, as you can see, the sun is very bright in my face. I came into my office just to show you guys the sun, okay? It is super bright and it is just shining up on my face. It's a very nice experience. Let me just show you. I don't think you guys understand how bright this is. The camera is kind of dimming it a little bit, but it is very bright. Today I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm eating. Yes, and I've been back on the kind of higher protein kick. So we're gonna do some high protein meals, but let's first make coffee because I haven't had coffee yet. So while the coffee is brewing, I just gotta show you guys the state of my kitchen because I gotta shame myself into a better cleaner. So this is the disaster we're working with today. Yes, this is the mess I left last night. To be fair, it probably will only take 10 minutes to clean, but why do I just leave this mess? Why can't I just clean it in the evening, you know, once I'm done? What is wrong with me? Okay. To be fair, I do enjoy doing things. I don't enjoy, okay? I prefer to do things in the morning, okay? I feel like in the evening, everything just shuts off. I don't want to do anything. But in the morning, I have more of an urge to clean, to work, to do whatever. So maybe that's why I leave it for the morning, but also I don't like to wake up to this. You know, it's not nice, okay? And look at this, like just little clutter everywhere, just clutter. So anyway, I'm gonna start the morning by cleaning and then we can eat. So while my coffee is brewing, I'm gonna deal with this. All right, much better. I'm now running the dishwasher. Coffee is ready and it is clean. Oh, this will last 5 minutes. Let's drink my coffee. All right, let's make breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm gonna make Vietnamese pizza, which is a recipe I've been obsessed with. I've been eating it like every single day for breakfast for the last few days. And it's really easy. And I recently shared the recipe on my channel, so I'll link that down below. It's so easy. It's basically Vietnamese rice paper with some sort of egg substitute because traditionally it's made with eggs. So we're gonna do it with egg substitute. And I have some scrambled tofu that's left over from yesterday because I ate this yesterday as well. Yes, so I'm gonna use that. But this time I'm also gonna add in some mushrooms and I'm also gonna have some broccoli on the side because I gotta get in my veggies. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. It is literally the bomb, you guys. You gotta try it. You guys. Oh, so exciting. Let's try. So you can also fold this in half, which I often do as well. And then it's just easier to eat, but it's also fun to eat it this way. Mmm. Mmm. The mushrooms add a really nice touch. Mmm. It's so good. It is so good. I am addicted. Okay? Recipe link below, guys. You gotta try it. And you also don't have to make it with scrambled tofu. You can make it with my mung bean egg recipe. or you can make it with just egg. It's so good. So that meal was 401 calories and 23 grams of protein. Pretty good start to the day. I guess watermelons are back. I got very excited at the store because I saw sliced watermelons. Please don't be crap. Let's try it. Not good. I mean, it's not bad, but it's definitely not watermelon season yet. I bought this vegan Greek style yogurt. Okay, and I haven't tried it yet, and I really want to try it because I kind of want to use it for a recipe, but it needs to taste good first, right? So this is 190 calories for a 3/4 cup and 13 grams of protein. Not bad. It smells yogurty. I love this brand though, okay? This brand is delicious. Look at this. Ooh, it is very thick. Please be good, please be good. Okay, let me try it, just a spoonful. It's not bad. The initial like taste is a bit weird, but it becomes less weird very quickly. I don't know how to describe it, but the tanginess is there. It's actually pretty good. Initially you're like, what did I just put in my mouth? Yeah, I keep going for it. Okay, I could work with this. Okay, approved. You guys, I've been spending the majority of my morning playing around with ChatGPT. I'm sure most of you guys have heard about it. I've been kind of meaning to learn a little bit more about it because my initial reaction was, whoa, that is scary, okay? But then I learned that it can be useful for people like me that create content to use it for content. So I actually am taking this class on Skillshare, who are very kindly sponsoring today's video, called ChatGPT for Creatives. AI-powered SEO, marketing, and productivity. This course is really helpful because it really dumbs it down for me, as in I don't really know anything about ChatGPT, but it's kind of telling me how to use it, you know, what mistakes to avoid, and the best ways to basically use this AI to your advantage. So if you guys haven't heard of Skillshare, they are an online learning community with thousands of different online classes that you could take. It is an awesome platform for anyone that is wanting to learn a new skill, okay, just generally. Or if you want to change your career, you're interested in a new career path, and you're like, what do I do? How do I start? This is a great place to start, you guys, because there are tons of classes from different people that may be in the career that you want to be in, teaching you how to be in that career. And this is also a great platform for just anybody that's a little bored and you're like, you know what, I kind of want to do something. I want to learn more things. I want to, you know, pick up a new hobby. I want to be more creative, whatever it may be. This is a great platform. So guys, if you want to check out Skillshare, there is a link down below, and the first 1,000 people to click that link will get an entire month of Skillshare for free. You can check out the classes. You can take as many classes as you want in that month, okay? And build up your skills and become a different, better version of yourself in a month, okay? How amazing is that? So guys, check it out. Link is down below. Once again, get that free trial. And thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. All right, guys, I have a workout in about half an hour, and I'm getting a little peckish. So I think I'm gonna have a protein shake. No, I'm gonna have protein cereal. Okay, so this is like my favorite way of having cereal, which is mixing the non-dairy milk with protein powder so that it becomes more filling. And I just prefer this over just having protein shake because it's more fun. You get to have cereal. Okay, so I just put non-dairy milk, I guess this is all I have, okay, into a shaker cup. Then I just add protein powder and then just shake it up. And that's gonna be your milk that you use for your cereal. My cereal, oh, I'm using this cereal right here. Timbits. Boop, boop, boop. And there you go, there's my protein cereal. So normally for chocolate cereal, I use chocolate protein powder to make it like a double chocolate experience. But this one is a salted caramel one, so let's try. It might be weird. No, it's good. So good. So I just got back from a workout and I'm ready for lunch. All right, so I'm gonna make some pasta salad using high protein pasta. So I'm using chickpea pasta. This is much higher protein than regular pasta. So I'm gonna use this along with this Greek style vegan yogurt. So that should be pretty high protein. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna make like a simple sort of pasta salad dressing. Yeah, wish me luck. Okay, there is something literally so wrong with my thermostat. Okay, so right now I have it off because it's like driving me insane. So I put it to cool, right? Right now it's at 26 degrees Celsius in this house, which is very hot, people, okay? So I put it to cool, system set to cool. And then, first of all, why is it at like set to 30 something? Okay, that makes no sense. So I'm gonna set it to 20 and give it a few minutes and I'm gonna tell you guys what happens to this because it's insane. Anyway, back to cooking. So first I'm gonna measure out the chickpeas, and yes, I measure my food, don't judge me. This I'm gonna do a regular serving of pasta, which is 85 grams. So for 85 grams, which is about 200 calories, this is almost 20 grams of protein, which is, I think, quite significantly higher than regular pasta. And yeah, it's not bad as well. Like, it's pretty good. So we're gonna boil this. Well, we're waiting for the water to boil. In the meantime, let's chop some veg. So I have some bell pepper left over from yesterday. So I'm gonna add that. I'm also gonna add some romaine lettuce, also left over. And I have some cucumber. I think I'm just gonna use the rest of this. This is about like, I don't know, a third of a cucumber. And I'm also gonna add some baby carrots. All right, that's the veg. For more protein, I'm gonna add in some chickpeas. Woo woo. And I'm also gonna add some olives, Greek style yogurt, some red wine vinegar, some lemon juice. I'm gonna add some dill. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, some salt, pepper. That's so good. All right, here are the olives. Now I'm just rinsing the pasta in cold water. And then we just put it together. So we added the chickpea pasta and then chickpeas for protein and then all the other add-ins. So it looks like the perfect amount of dressing. Okay, so I just looked at the macros for this and it is 537 calories and 36.4 grams of protein. Guys, that is pretty impressive. I'm gonna eat this and then I'll see you guys after. I almost forgot to show you guys this. Do you see this? It's gone up. The temperature has gone up when I've set it to cool down. Why? And it's been doing this for the last few days. I don't understand it. I'm just gonna turn the system off. Ugh. Anyone know what's going on here? So while I eat lunch, I'm watching this Korean drama. It's called The Glory. I'm normally not someone that watches a lot of Korean dramas, but this one is very, very good. Okay, highly recommend. It's a bit disturbing. It's actually heavily disturbing, but it's a really good drama. All right, I'm making a snack. I really want to try having the Greek style yogurt. Clearly I'm obsessed with protein. So making kind of like a chocolate pudding. I do this with regular vegan yogurt. So I'm gonna try it with the Greek style yogurt. I don't see why it wouldn't work. I might need to add some water or something to thin it out. I would normally add like some non-dairy milk, but I ran out. Protein. And then, yeah, I guess I'll mix it. Yeah, it's getting quite thick. So I'm gonna add some water to thin this out of agave nectar for a little sweetness. And then I had some like frozen raspberries, but it was all like in a big clump. I guess it melted and then I refroze it. So I just heated it up in the microwave and now it's kind of like a raspberry puree. I'm just gonna add that in here. Wow, look at that. Whoa. Wow, that raspberry. So good. There you go, high protein chocolate pudding with raspberry. Yum. Looks like a mess, but tastes good. All right. Say hi, Daniels.
Hi.
So for dinner, I am at Daniel's place because he gonna make me dinner. I mean, for a change. It's usually me that makes the food. So I'm very excited for Daniel's whatever he's going to make.
Oh, it's gonna be a surprise.
Look how cute. Look what Daniel, oh my God, are these pickled radishes?
Yeah.
Look at this little thing that Daniel created for us to snack on.
Mm-hmm.
We got some bubblies. I guess we having a sober nap for a change, but in a wine glass because we fancy. God damn, look at you, bartender. Look at you. Your favorite, is it Beyonce? Oh no, it's Field Roast.
Field roast. It's this one.
God damn.
Apple
Have you
and
tried it
sage. No, this is my first
Let me
time.
try it.
Well, don't you have to cook it, Rose?
It's fine. It's vegan. I'm not gonna get salmonella.
Is it good?
It's pretty good actually.
Ooh, that's nice. Feeling like I'm gonna crush under the pressure.
Daniel's feeling the pressure of cooking for the channel. They love you, Daniels.
I know that. But it just makes me nervous. Rose be the professional.
I'm really not.
And I'm definitely not.
All right, so Daniel's chopped up some onions. He's chopped up some veggie sausage.
And next is gonna be some mushrooms.
Mushrooms. We love a mushroom. What were we saying? That you don't really know what else you're gonna add to the pasta?
No. Oh yeah. So I was like, I'm gonna add mushrooms.
Yep.
I did get some broccoli, but I don't know if broccoli's gonna be good in it.
I'll let you decide, Daniel.
I'm just gonna do.
For once, I'll let you decide.
No, I'm just gonna do onions, this, and the mushroom because.
You got a sauce?
I got we'll get
Ooh, look at you. Look at you being prepared.
We'll get lots of vegetables in this, Rose. You want to see my salad?
Yeah. I want to see your salad.
It's a random concoction, let me tell you.
Ooh, is it couscous?
Yep.
Look at you.
I'll be preparing.
Wow. I've never seen you so prepared.
Well, hey, this is what happens when you work from home.
But, you know, as I was saying, Daniel, sometimes all you need in life is a good sausage. So what's in this lovely couscous salad, Daniel?
So there is a lot of shit in there.
How did you season it?
So it's seasoned with olive oil, red wine vinegar,
Ooh.
harissa paste,
Ooh.
and salt and pepper.
Look at this, Daniels. What you put for the spices?
I put a mixture of spices, Rose.
What you
A
put?
little bit of cayenne, a little bit of that Cajun spice, a little bit of that pepper, a little bit of that salt, and a little bit of that veggie broth.
Ooh, veggie broth. Ooh. Is this your specialty?
No, this is a special treat just for you, Rose.
Are we going to eat the whole thing?
No. I mean, we have a huge pasta bowl and
And a huge salad.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Let's try Daniel's specialty sausage pasta. Ooh, look at these big chunks of sausage.
You know Rose loves a sausage.
We are in our 30s, Daniel. We are in our 30s. The maturity is real.
The maturity has gotten so real.
Pasta, we got the couscous salad. And a little bit of parsley. Ooh, fresh parsley. Daniel's concoction. I'm excited. So Daniel got us dessert as well. Cookie dough. I already had about 15 servings of pasta. I feel like I could eat more. What's wrong with me?
Well, I won't answer that question, Rose.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for my what I ate in a day video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll link my what I ate in a day playlist so you guys can check out all of my previous what I ate in a days. Once again, thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!